Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here to announce another 2 special live classes on Unacademy. Thank you all who have been joining the earlier previous classes, and I hope you all will be joining these classes on 3rd and 4th October sharp at 7 p.m. You can unlock these classes totally free of cost by using my code CSJAS. So on 3rd October, we will be dealing with the topic of demand for poll and manner to get the poll scrutinized. So we will talk all about section 109 and how the poll gets scrutinized, the process of it. And on 4th October, we will discuss postal ballot, that is section 110. Yes, we will be discussing all about postal ballot, and I hope you all will be joining the session by using my code CSJAS. These classes are totally free of cost. You can come, join and get the knowledge. And if you're still looking for good online classes for CA, CS, CMA courses, then let me tell you that Unacademy offers awesome courses for all 3 courses. You can go and check. You just have to download the Unacademy learning app, select your goal, that is the stage you are studying, and get subscription. And while getting subscription, don't forget to use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. I hope you go and check the courses on Unacademy app and do join my special classes on 3rd and 4th October. Bye.